Good morning, dear students. This is your social science teacher Anita. As you know, our SST syllabus has completed. So today we will start first chapter revision. Our first chapter is known your planet. Now let us start. Our Earth is a unique planet. Do you know, students, why we call Earth is a unique planet? Because Earth is only planet that have both water and air. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. Continents. The large land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents in the world, such as Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, and Australia is the smallest continent in the world. In the terms of area, our country, India, is the seventh largest country in the world. Ocean. The large water body are called oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world, such as Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Now, what is a globe? Globe means an object shaped like a ball. Students, a globe is a small model of the earth. It represents the earth in a simple and accurate way. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can see also the correct shape, size, and location of the continents and ocean on a globe. Maps. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. A book of map is called an atlas. Types of map. Physical map. Physical features of an area such as mountains, plateau, plains, and river are shown on a physical map. Political map. Lines defining the boundaries of the countries and states are shown on a political map. Road map. Map which show major and minor highway and roads are called road maps. Vegetation map. The natural vegetation in a region are called vegetation maps. Scale. The earth is very big, so it is not possible to show the actual size of the earth on a map. The actual size is reduced many times so that it can be shown on a map. So the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale of the map. Now, signs and symbols. Students, there is no enough space on a map to show mountain, rivers, lake, bridge, temples, railway track. A map without this information will not be useful. So different signs and symbols are used to give such information on a map. For example, the international land boundary of a country is shown by thick dashes and dots in black. Students, you can see various type of sign and symbols on the screen. Thank you and have a nice day.